List of tools: level, tape measure, hammer, chisel, trowel, mortar, wheelbarrow. Step 1. Place a line of concrete 2 inches high where you want the wall. Step 2. If you have corners, place the first brick in the corner. Step 3. Place the second brick 1 inch apart from the first one. Step 4. Repeat the process for the first line. Fill the gaps between the bricks with cement and lay another 2 inch high line of cement on the top of the bricks as you did on the floor. Step 6. Lay the second line of bricks. Note: if you need half-sized bricks, you can cut one brick in half with a chisel and hammer. Step 7. Repeat the process for the rest of the wall.